Let me show you something. Same yarn, same hook, same pattern, but completely different results. If your crochet ever feels too tight, too loose, or just inconsistent, it's not just what you're doing, it's how your yarn and your hands are working together. Let's fix your tension problem using simple crochet physics. Tension is simply how tightly or loosely your yarn is controlled while you crochet. And there are 4 things controlling it: your yarn hold, your hook grip, your loop size, and how your yarn is set up. Change any of these and your entire project can change. This is something a lot of people don't think about. How your yarn is wound affects how it flows. If you're working from a skein, especially pulling from the outside, the yarn can tug and create resistance. Some skeins let you pull from the center, which usually gives a smoother and more consistent flow. A yarn cake feeds evenly, which helps keep your tension steady. And a ball can roll around, which can either help or fight your tension depending on how it moves. So if your tension feels inconsistent, it might not be your hands at all. It might be how your yarn is feeding. Your yarn hold controls friction. When you wrap yarn tightly around your fingers, you slow it down. When you loosen it, the yarn flows freely. If your stitches feel tight or hard to pull through, your yarn hold might be adding too much resistance. Now let's talk about your hook. If you're gripping too tightly, you're forcing the yarn. If your grip is relaxed, your hook glides more naturally. You don't need to squeeze the hook, you just guide it. This is the part most people don't realize. First loop you pull up controls the size of your stitch. Too high, loose stitches. Too tight, stiff stitches. This tiny movement changes everything. Here's how to bring everything together. Check how your yarn is feeding. Relax your yarn hold. Loosen your grip on the hook. Let the hook set the stitch size. Focus on a steady rhythm. Think flow, not force. If your tension isn't perfect yet, that's completely normal. You're not doing it wrong, you're learning control. If this helped you understand your tension better, let me know in the comments. Do you crochet tighter or looser? And tell me, do you use a skein, a cake, or a ball? And don't forget to subscribe for more simple crochet guides.